Yeah, I mean I say, a blessed independent to every Jamaican, whether they are yard or abroad. We are on our own, no matter what, how we want to live, or no matter where some Jamaicans might say, we're not independent, but we know in our mindset, say, we're independent, because we're on our own. We can't do one thing now. We can't do one thing now. You see what I say? Straight. So all our own we feel so we're not independent, we're not find a country where slavery there. You see what I say? Jamaican, we're not in slavery. Even though the system have it that way there. But we can work on that. You see what I say? A blessed independent to every Jamaican, whether you're young or old. You see what I say? A blessed independent. You could have bad, you could have good. Straight at the one done and tell you that.